Hopefully this will be a very short video on greasing my wheel bearings on this trailer. Before starting this little task, make sure you pull your stabilizer jacks up so you're not jacking against them. I also dropped the tongue down a little bit. I don't know if I needed to, making the trailer unlevel. Well, more level to the ground, but not level to the world. I don't know if I needed to do that or not. I've jacked it on the frame. I put these big blocks in here to take up a bunch of space. I had to twist the upper one there to miss a screw over there. There's a little opening right here in this center cap. You get in here and pry this thing off. I hate doing this because it keeps denting out each time I do it. The little rubber Dexter EZ Lube cap thing will come off quite easily. It looks like that right now. I have the tire jacked up enough so I can spin the wheel like so. Attach the grease nipple onto the Zerk fitting. Let's get it spinning and pump grease in there. I think I'm going to stop there. Big mess. This grease is fun. It will get everywhere. A lot of places you don't want it to get. Put this cap, rubber cap, back on. Get that stuff out of the way and slowly lower the trailer and move on to the next side. I've been using this stuff for several years now. I'll put a link in the description below for purchasing this on Amazon.